Okay, Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, and today I want to telling you how to configure AEGRP on Cisco routers in Cisco Packet Tracer. So, if you know OSPF is a dynamic routing protocol type open vendor. But now I want to configure on AIGRP, which is Cisco proprietary. Why I choose this AIGRP? Because personally, it name enhanced interior gateway routing protocol. So here the AIGRP is using the distance vector type and not link state type. So for the configuration here, we're gonna use this topology with uh, point-to-point router on router. We'll be using network 10.0.0.0/30, and for the LAN we'll be using 192.168.10.0/24, and for the right side we'll be using 20.0/24. So let's get into the configuration. Firstly, we will set up the first router. So in here, click no, then enter the global configuration. And as before, we will configure get IP for the interface. So firstly, we will set IP address for this gigabit Ethernet port. So we'll be using interface G0/0. Then we enter IP address 192.168.10.1, and for the subnet mask /20. After after assigning an IP address, we turn the port on by using command no shutdown. So as you can see here, it's changed to green. Then after we config the LAN interface, we will set the TCP interface. So switch to interface G0/1. Then we assign IP address 10.0.0.1. Then for the subnet mask of /30. Sorry. Then we turn it on. Next, we configure the second router. And as before, we assign every IP for its interface by using command interface and then the interface. So in here, in this topology, on the right side, gigabit 0/0 will be on LAN and we'll be using this network. So I'm going to configure IP address 192.168.20.1 and for the subnet mask of 24. No shutdown. Then we select the TCP interface. Then IP address 10.10.10.2 and subnet mask for /30. After that, we must making sure that two of this router can be connected. So if as you can see here, the status is successful. Next, for the PC, we'll using static IP, and for the IP in here, I'm gonna use 10.2, and for the gateway, we'll be using from the router. So that we testing from PC to router, and in here, all of this should be successful. But if I want to ping from this PC to other PC, it should be failed. because it's on different network. So this is why we must set up the routing protocol. Here we're gonna use AIGRP by using command router AIGRP, then for the AS number. But in here, because it's on virtual lab, I'm gonna use AS number 1. After that, we assign network of two of these by using command network 192.168.10.0. Then this one will be different. It not going using it will not using subnet mask, but it using wildcard. So the wildcard we get from our subnet mask, then we minus with 255.255.255.255. So after that, we for slash 24 we'll getting this wildcard. Then after that, we assign for the PTP network, which will be 10.10.10.10.0.0.00. Then for the wildcard of slash 30 will be dot 3. But if because of this is classless IP, we need to add a configuration, an additional configuration, which that will be no auto summary. So this command will be support classless network. Then after that, we configure for the next router and will be same configuration, but make sure in here we are not using the same IS number. So in here I'm gonna use AIGRP2. Then we advertise every network this router has using net 192.168.20.0, then 0.0.0.255. Then for the PTP network 10.0.0.0.3 for the wildcard. Next, we same as earlier, we add no auto summary because this network is not is class is classless router classless net. So after this, we have successfully configured AIGRP. So in here, if I want to ping from this PC to PC, sorry, okay, sorry, uh, there's a misconfiguration in here. So for the AIGRP itself, it should not be on different IS number. So in here, I will delete the router AIGRP for the IS number 2. Then we create again for the same IS number. So we assign again for the network 192.168.20.0, then for the subnet mask of 2 of slash 24, then assign again for the PTP network. So if you see this log, that means the AIGRP connection has been successfully created. But because this we use classless, we need to set up no auto summary. Then after this, if you want to ping from this PC to PC, it will be successful. And maybe that's what I can tell to you. Sorry for my last misconfiguration, but for the thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.